One of the natural soiling materials that is often encountered is plantation rubber, plantation crepe, natural crepe, crepe rubber, whatever you want to call it. It's a bit different in every country. This is a natural material actually based on what comes out of the rubber tree. So this is not synthetic. This is basically the tree sap turned into this slightly sticky, rubbery substance. We have to be a little careful with names here because crepe, if you're looking to our US customers, crepe usually refers to EVA, not to this material, but if you talk about plantation crepe, if you talk about natural rubber, usually everybody knows what you're talking about. Natural rubber is quite easy to identify. It has a typical grainy structure like this. As you can see here as well, it's very susceptible to getting dirty because it is a bit sticky already to itself. It's a compact material, it's not foamed, it's compact, it's sticky, it's heavy. You find this on outdoor shoes, boots, comfortable shoes in some cases. There's some soiling materials nowadays that incorporate it, that are not purely natural rubber, but that would be a sole that you buy or that you actually see it on the shoe that it contains natural rubber. If it has these sticky properties, if it is a little dirty on the outside, very likely that we're dealing with this here. It bonds to itself just using heat. You can weld it practically. That's not the most common process in repairing a shoe like this though, or in replacing a sole or making a modification. If you want to bond it to anything except itself, you need the right adhesive to do this. The best one that actually works every time would be our Renia Col de Cologne or Multicol, and just to be on the safe side, I would combine it with our Renia Harden to See for two reasons. First of all, anything seeping out or emanating from this material, any chemicals that could break down, any oils that could break down the adhesive, that would be prevented this way. And also, if you grind it, this gets very hot and that could actually attack the bond as well. And the hardener protects against this because it makes the adhesive more heat resistant. But use Col de Cologne, use hardener, and then bonding this is no problem at all.